Welcome. 1 outer cloth cover. 1 bottom base. 1 top base. 1 grey cover. 4 grey poles. 1 Allen key and 4 screws. 4 foot pads. All done? Let's get installing. First, tug the top base into the outer cloth cover to the end. Make sure to leave excess cloth for later. Fold the excess cloth into the slot given. Next, flip over and put the grey poles into the holes located at the bottom of the top base. Next, put the bottom base, which is flipped to the other side, into the holes. Once done, pull the outer cloth cover to cover the sides of the bottom base as shown. Fold the excess cloth into the slot given again. Use the Allen key to screw it into the hole allocated for screws. Do the same for the other 3. Place foot pad into the hole. Do the same for the other 3. Flip over and put the grey cover. Next, you will need 2 inner cloth bags with handles. Two inner bag retaining rings. Please make sure that you have these 2 items before continuing. Next, stick the inner cloth bag to the inner bag retaining ring using the Velcro. To use SiftDuo, open the cover and take out the inner bag using the handles. The first method of taking out clothes from inner bag is using your own hands, and the second method is using the handles and pour it out.